277 species in genus Cardamine. April 2nd. Cardamine, the bittercress, defines April 2nd. Cardamine symbolizes adaptability and renewal. You have a knack for thriving in changing environments, finding growth and opportunities even in unexpected places. Like its delicate blossoms that signal the arrival of spring, you bring a fresh, hopeful energy wherever you go. Cardamine, a personal exploration of a diverse genus. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the intricate world of plants. The sheer diversity of forms, colors, and adaptations never ceases to amaze me. Recently, my attention was captured by the genus Cardamine, a fascinating group of plants commonly known as bittercresses and toothworts. These unassuming plants, often overlooked in favor of their showier relatives, possess a quiet beauty and remarkable adaptability that has led them to colonize diverse habitats across the globe. This article is my personal exploration of Cardamine, a journey into the heart of a genus that exemplifies the resilience and beauty of the natural world. I'll delve into the characteristics that define this genus, highlight some of its most intriguing species, and share my own observations and reflections on these remarkable plants. Defining characteristics of Cardamine. Cardamine belongs to the Brassicaceae family, a group known for its distinctive four-petaled flowers and often pungent flavor. Mustard, cabbage, and broccoli are all members of this family, highlighting the incredible diversity within this group. What sets Cardamine apart? While they share the characteristic four-petaled flower structure with their relatives, they often display these blooms in delicate shades of white, pink, or purple. The leaves can vary considerably, from simple and rounded to deeply lobed or pinnate, showcasing the adaptability of this genus. One of the most fascinating features of many Cardamine species is their ability to reproduce via tiny bulbils that form on the leaves or stems. These bulbils, when detached, can grow into new plants, allowing for efficient vegetative propagation. This unique adaptation contributes to the success of Cardamine in a variety of environments. A diverse genus, exploring Cardamine species. The genus Cardamine boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 200 species found across the globe, excluding Antarctica. These species have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from damp woodlands and stream banks to alpine meadows and rocky outcrops. This incredible adaptability is a testament to the evolutionary success of this genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Reflections on Cardamine. My exploration of Cardamine has deepened my appreciation for the often overlooked beauty and resilience of the natural world. These plants, while not as showy as some of their relatives, possess a quiet charm and remarkable adaptability that has allowed them to flourish in diverse habitats across the globe. The ability of Cardamine to reproduce both sexually and vegetatively is a testament to its evolutionary success. The tiny bulbils produced by many species are a marvel of efficient propagation, allowing these plants to spread and colonize new areas with ease. As I continue to observe and learn about Cardamine, I am struck by the intricate connections between these plants and their environment. They provide food and habitat for a variety of insects and other organisms, playing a vital role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. In a world that often prioritizes the flashy and the dramatic, Cardamine serves as a reminder that true beauty can be found in the subtle and the understated. These plants, with their delicate flowers and remarkable adaptations, offer a glimpse into the intricate workings of the natural world and the quiet resilience of life.